Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Point Hobby Channel. Today I wanna play with my Lego Duplo. Duplo. Duplo is actually Lego for toddlers or for baby. Oh, take a look. This is the egg. The egg is for 1/2 until 3 years old. So that's not actually for the adults because maybe for too easy to make it, but I don't mind because I like Lego, so I don't mind. Okay, this is the looks of the box. I already opened it actually, so I'm sorry for the mess of the box. And see what is in the front box. This is like in the front box is the bird, so this is Lego Duplo, my first bird. And this is the back of the box, another kind of bird that you could make it from this Lego. Okay, how many bird that I can make it from this Lego? Okay, 1 2 3 4 birds I think, and plus 2 eggs. Right, now take a look what inside. There's nothing left, just a plastic. I found this inside my box. This is not instruction books. This is just pamphlet for me because I don't found any instruction inside. This is just another Lego Duplo. Beautiful. For me, this is beautiful. Take a look. Like Lego Creator, but more big part. No easy to break, no easy to swallow. Nice. Oh, Mickey! Okay. That's all you get from this pamphlet. Now I want to try my first bird. Okay, when I start I start with the feet. This, and then body, then head, this is wings. Ta-da! It's done! OMG, this is piece of cake. Not until a minute, yeah. Okay, this looks like nice. Nice bird. Okay, I don't know what kind of bird is this. Right, yellow bird. Now we go to the back of the box and try to play another bird. Okay, this is the second bird that I want to make. It's the same. So the difference is just in here. Start with the wings. These beautiful wings. Okay, nice, done. Second bird done. How many pieces is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pieces for the birds. Okay, nice. Next, try to make it the third bird. This is not use it all the things. Okay, this is all different. This will be feet, like this, and head and hair. Ta-da! Third bird, little baby bird. Yes, right, little baby bird. Okay, now I want to make it the egg, one egg, just left one egg. If I make it this baby bird, I just can make it one egg. If I want to make it two eggs, so the baby bird is not still not born. This is two eggs, like in the picture. Then in a minute, the bird. Oh no! In a minute, the egg is hatching. And what happened? Next. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Waiting. What happened? And this born one little baby bird. Yay! Right, baby bird and eggs and still want to inside, still warm inside. I think he or she don't want to come out. We don't know what's look like, but maybe not different from his brother or sister. Yeah. All right, next. This is the last bird for me. This more looks like duck. Just like this. Quack, 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 quack. Done! I'm already done. Make it all the birds. Let's get back to the main birds. Alright. Go, go, go. Ale, ale, ale. No, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's the head. No. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 6, 7. Seven bird. No. 7 part. Make it 1 bird. Alright, hey. My friend wanna try to fly with a bird. This is Snape. Hello, Snape. You want to try my new bird flying? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and fly. Hold on, Snape. Hold on. Where did they go? Where did they go? Don't go too far. Oh, come on. Let's get it. Come on. Okay. And the bird's coming. Booms. Look. Booms. What can sound of that? Alright, Snaps. Thank you for trying my new bird. And you go back to your friend, the fireman. Okay. Okay, that's guys all about my new toys and not new anything, but my today playing with my first bird. Alright, see you in my another video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.